Back to Friday Night Sense, people, and today's episode we're in a Golf GTI which is currently getting washed by Jacob. So let's get into the video. And on today's episode with Jacob, and Jack in the back you have recognised, and he's had broken STs all the time, and now he's got a broken VXR. We was going to do the video on his VXR, however, Jack, do you want to explain?
It's fucked.
There you go, it's fucked. Basically, his tyres are bald, his coolant's gone, and so, yeah. So, we're driving second best car,
yeah.
Even though it's probably better since it's got carbon fibre wings now, and bonnet. So this ain't a stock GTI.
I mean, yeah, let's go with that.
Yeah, it's not a stock GTI. Hold up. There you go, it's not stock.
That doesn't prove anything. That proves nothing.
So what brake is this running in, Jacob?
Fuck knows. I'm just gonna say it's stock. I don't actually know. If you don't know, it's stock. Do you know what I mean? If you don't actually know what it is, it's stock. You can't claim it is something when you don't know.
Yeah, that's true. I mean,
whack it on a dollar.
The only thing which isn't stock is probably the seats and the front end and the exhaust,
yeah,
and the wing,
yeah,
and the intake.
Yeah.
Wheels. Wheels are cool on this.
Yeah, other than that, yeah. I mean, for the most part.
Sun's blinding. Come on, mate.
The Lenin guy likes it.
It's gonna like it even more now. Dear Lord, camera, please don't fall out.
That would be good.
Here we go.
Any bumpy down here.
It's gonna be a bumpy ride.
What the fuck is that?
I have no idea.
Is it pink beamer?
Could be.
I don't know, I can't really see it. It looks fucking terrible. It's definitely a beamer.
Could it be one of them new S3s?
S3?
Yeah, because I've got them sort of lights.
Definitely a pink beamer.
Oh shit.
It's a pink M3, isn't it? Oh yeah, M3.
Oh shit.
Oh wow.
Oh, I gotta show you guys this. Oh hey. M3 OGRU.
It's a D-badge M3, isn't it? Yeah, well,
Yeah, debadged.
I'll go in there, yeah?
Yeah. Or follow the M3.
He's off.
Oh, he's off. What a motor though.
That was Ruby Stone Red, wasn't it?
Yeah, something like that. What else we got here? Awesome Fiesta ST. Oh, sorry, Mini.